How to fix Messenger create a room not showing. So if you're facing a problem with Messenger creating a room, first open up your Messenger application, and then after opening here on the upper side you will have room option. But if you don't have that room option, then sometimes in some regions or in some countries we don't have that option. But if your friends have that option and if you don't have that option on your mobile, then the first thing you need to check is your internet connection. And after checking your internet connection, now you can simply go back and then go for Play Store and make sure that your app is up to date. So if your app is not up to date, then you might find this kind of problem. So simply open up your Play Store and then search for Messenger. And after opening Messenger, if you have an update option, then you can simply tap on update and you have to update your Messenger application. And even after updating, if that still doesn't fix your problem, then you can simply go back and open up your settings and then go for apps and notifications and open up your Messenger on your settings and then go for storage and cache and then tap on clear cache, and this might fix your problem. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, then you can simply uninstall your Messenger application and then you can again install it from your Play Store or your App Store, or you can simply restart your device. You can simply hold on to that power button and then tap on restart, and after restarting your problem might be fixed. So that's it. These were the few fixes to your problem, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.